You suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck.
Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do to make this buffalo cauliflower is we're gonna get out and see if we can hunt down a nice wild cauli. Oh, that is a beauty. Wow, that's a really clean break. So the first thing we'll do is separate the two main cauliflower wings. Luckily, these ground vegetables are mostly flightless. Ouch. Now, most recipes call for battering the cauliflower with some kind of flour mixture, but this isn't the 50s. The food pyramid doesn't look like this anymore. Bread is for sandwiches and flour is for gardens. I say, no flour, no bread. Nobody likes you anymore. We'll take 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of water, a couple pinches of salt, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And we'll wangjangle that into a pre-buffalish elixir. Now we'll pour that on top, and we'll do what's known as the galloping of the cauliflower. You can also wangjangle it with the cauliflower stalk, or if you want to make buffalo cauliflower, just use your 50-pound wangjangler. Undos on for fundo. We'll spread those onto a parchment papered pan, then into the undo gundos for around 15 minutes. While that's cooking, we'll create our buffalo sauce. We'll take 2 tablespoons of butter, get that melted. Then we'll add half a cup of pepper sauce. I'm using Frank's. Now that the cauliflower is cooked for 15 minutes, we're gonna do some painting. Just dibble and dabble the sauce on the cauliflower to and fro, in whatever way pleases you. It doesn't have to look like a masterpiece. Like this idyllic sunset, for example. And perfecto. Let's finish up the touch-up job here and throw those back in the undo for around 8 more minutes. While that's cooking, we'll whip up a blue cheese sauce. Ranch would also be great. 2 tablespoons of sour cream, mayo, and crumbled blue cheese. Wangjangle that together and voila. And if you're making this for some unfortunate human who doesn't like blue cheese, just take some sour cream and put some blue food coloring in it. Oh, actually, and perfecto. Buffalo wings were invented in Buffalo, New York by Teresa Bellissimo. They have nothing to do with the most majestic creature of the prairies, the prairie unicorn. And also nothing to do with buffalo, which are actually American bison. Now we'll just put these on this plate and we'll give this a bit of a shellacking for the clickbait thumbnail, and because it's totally valid to put the buffalo sauce on after. Now to keep our hands clean, we'll just use a couple celery chopsticks. Those are damn good buffalo cauliflower. Those are damn good chopsticks. This is also a great dish to eat with your best date fork. Now, if you don't want to eat buffalo cauliflower the traditional way, which is with your mouth, you can also put it in a bowl, chop it up a bit, add some shredded cheddar, and then you've got buffalo cauliflower and cheese.
Well, these are probably better deep fried. Maybe with the bread, well, I'm not sure, but I like to keep it simple. Less ingredients, much more pure. If I want bread, I'll have a sandwich. Maybe I'll eat it in the shower. If I want bread, I'll make a bread smoothie. I don't need bread on my cauliflower. Or maybe I